In the last video, I showed you the accessories that we never leave behind. This time, I've got 5 more, including the best camera setup, how to warm up after dives, and a rash guard that might make me the Sugar Sean O'Malley of scuba diving. I've got my best bud and dive buddy here, Gunner. We're gonna run through it. Welcome back to Generations Below. We're a father-son dive team. We're not instructors, we're not pros, just everyday divers sharing tips, tricks, and gear reviews. These are the weird, colorful, or underrated things that ended up changing how we dive in the water and out. And more than that, they're just a way that you can show some personality down there. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, number 1, the landing pad. This one, here, hold this for me. This one I got as a Christmas gift. These are awesome, made by XS Scuba. If you're shore diving, these are a must-have. Keeps your gear from getting all dirty and sandy and nasty. Gunner doesn't like his feet to get dirty, so he changes on this thing and then just right into your slides.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's quick and easy.
The landing pad, these are awesome. Number 2, the 360 camera. None of this is possible, none of what we do is possible without a way to capture the moment. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know my affinity for the 360 cameras. If you haven't, check those videos out here. These let us catch so many things that we would have missed anyway. And you get to focus on the dive. You don't have to worry about recording. Gunner literally holds this thing out. He captures some of our best footage.
I'm a better photographer than him.
Oh yeah, no, I don't know about that. Yeah, these things are awesome. Get one. We love the Insta360 line. Number 3, the skin suit. These are more Gunner's jam than mine because I don't need them. He's the one that always is cold. So what you talk about the skin suit, Guns?
I have no body fat, unlike my dad. And it's really easy to slip into my wetsuit and stuff. I use a 7mm wetsuit, so it's really hard.
Yeah, and I think it might let him stay just a little bit warmer too. So these things are great, especially if you're wearing a thick wetsuit, you're wet, it's hard to get in and out of it. These things you can slide right in there.
Yep.
All right, number 4, colorful gear for easy ID. If you guys have watched the channel at all, you've seen us rocking. Gunner does the hot pink. I like the neon orange rash guards over the wetsuit. It just makes you stand out more. This can be super useful if you're on a boat dive and you've got a lot of people and you don't know where your dive buddy is. You can definitely spot Gunner in this hot pink for sure. But mainly we just like to show some personality and some flair. It gives you, you know, you look different than everybody decked out in their solid black looking like a bunch of seals, you know? So match it with your fins, your mask, other accessories. Eventually, I'm definitely gonna look like the Sugar Sean O'Malley of scuba diving, just all decked out in rainbow colors. Last but not least, number 5, the boat coat. We love these things. We do a lot of winter diving. These are by a company called Mallow. They're super thick, super warm, oversized with oversized pockets. These things are great.
Yeah, I really like it because in the water it's really warm and out it's freezing cold and I have no body fat, unlike my dad. So I put it on to keep me warm.
Yeah, so we do a lot of winter diving around here. That's when the fresh water seems to be the clearest, and you get out of the water, you're freezing your butt off in that cold, cold desert air. So we love these boat coats. Hey, I've got a little bonus on this one. Find your favorite dive snack and carry that thing. I love Uncrustables. The honey and peanut butter ones are the absolute best thing whenever you come to the surface after a long dive. And here's something even better about the Uncrustables. Gunner's allergic to peanut butter, so it keeps him from eating my dive snack. What's your favorite dive snack?
Cookies.
What kind of cookies? Choco chippies?
Yeah, chocolate chip cookies.
Okay, you eat a lot of Ritz and Club Crackers.
Banana.
Oh yeah, bananas are good too. Look, your kit doesn't have to be boring. Some of our best dive upgrades weren't even specific dive gear. Try stuff out, be loud, and definitely bring a snack.
Yeah.
I want to know what you bring on every dive that you swear by. Drop it in the comments, we'll try it out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I might make a video responding to it. If this helped you guys, smash that subscribe button because next up, we're gonna dive into training your kid to scuba dive. Is it safe? Are they ready? Should you do it? This is gonna be a good conversation with me and Gunner. Are you ready for that one?
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're new to the channel, here's something awesome. We hide real treasure underwater. We call it the hunt. Find one of our hidden coins and you win actual high-end dive gear from brands that we trust. You can check out those treasure drops and the clues on where to find them right here on the channel. The hunt is on. It's good enough, dude.
Yeah.